Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make watermelon Rind Chutney. For that I have taken 2 portions of watermelon like this, grated and kept it, coriander leaves, peanut roasted and kept it. In the kadai I have sauteed onion, tomato, garlic, curry leaves and red chilli. If you want you can add a small piece of tamarind in it. I also added hing powder. Now I am adding the grated watermelon rind in it. We will saute this also for 3 minutes. Cool it and grind it along with the coriander leaves and peanut roasted. I have added salt in it so that it will get cooked fast. Spice level according to your requirement you can add. You can also add green chilli for a flavor. My mother-in-law used to add green chilli also. In sambar also she used to add. Just cut it and put it in the sambar. Now 3 minutes we'll cook this and then we'll switch off the gas. Cool it and then grind it to a chutney. You can serve this along with rice, chapati, paratha, upma, idli, dosa, adai, etc. This is done. Now I'll switch off the gas to cool down. I have prepared various dishes out of watermelon rind. I will give the details in the description box as well as the link of the dishes I made. In this I have added peanut, coriander leaves, then ginger piece. Detailed ingredients I will give it in the description box. The watermelon Rind chutney is ready here to serve. I am serving it along with adai today. It's really tasty and do try. I have prepared various dishes out of watermelon rind. I'll give the detailed links in the description box which you can check. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.